Hey guys. Okay, I look like crap right now. I just woke up like, yeah boy, I just woke up. I look like crap. Anyways, today's video, I told myself yesterday that yesterday's video, the unboxing of 17 would be the last video of the year. Um, no, it's not. I decided to make a 2015 montage, just basically everything that happened this year as far as like my channel goes. So I just basically combined a bunch of videos that I've made and just put them together, just put some random moments in there. A lot of my fanboying and a lot of the squeals that I've made are in there. So if you guys are interested, you guys can watch it. But anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful new year and I wish you guys the best in 2016. And please stay tuned for more videos. And yeah, love you guys. Bye. Okay, let's go on with the video. Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys. Okay, hey guys. 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 Look at you. Look at you. Oh my god. Look at you. Oh my god. Thank you. No. Thank you. So, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Today I'm going to be doing another music video reaction for you guys. Today's vis okay, here. Come on, it came out, it came out. We're gonna put that to the side, okay. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ah! What in the world? Okay, let's do this. Bear with me, guys. Don't you dare tell me to shut up. Oh my god, look, look. Oh shit. Oh, Robbie! What? Look at Elle. I was gonna burp. Fine. Betting on you. No, I'm kidding. Oh my! Oh my! Okay, calm yourself, calm yourself. Please stay tuned for more videos, guys, and until the next one, see ya. Bye! I am so sorry. I do not know what I was just doing there, but, yeah. Bitch, I'm out!